what is cloud computing?
That's a great question. I get asked it a lot. And the reality is, it's what it needs to be for the business.
Simply put, cloud computing is IT and technology over the internet and on demand. Cloud services are commonly used at the enterprise level, and for more than a decade, Savvis, a CenturyLink company, has been pioneering outsourced IT and cloud solutions for a variety of industries.
There's this growing sentiment that businesses just want to be in the business that they're in. They don't want to be in the IT business. And it's that sentiment that's really pushing this technology to the cloud.
Lately, more and more small to medium-sized businesses are exploring the cloud to realize the cost savings, flexibility, and security that cloud services provide.
But the cloud is where the market is going. Businesses will be purchasing more near time as opposed to getting the infrastructure in their own businesses.
Now, CenturyLink is making it possible for any business, no matter how small, to buy and use servers, platforms, applications, and infrastructure, all in the cloud.
Do I really want to buy that server and keep it in a room and have to have folks that manage this on site? Or can this be something that I buy like I buy electricity?
Cloud is on its way to becoming a utility service, an area of CenturyLink's expertise. No more server closets, no more hardware to fix, software to keep track of, applications to update, and no more backup systems to manage. How do we do it? Fast forward and get to the good part.
SavvisDirect is cloud for everyone.
Virtually any business that uses computers and anticipates growth is an ideal candidate for SavvisDirect and cloud services. SavvisDirect targets three primary users: IT professionals, developers, and, most importantly for RMG, small to medium-sized business owners.
SavvisDirect is this cool capability that allows our customers, our business customers, to go out real time and purchase their computing needs and their IT needs.
SavvisDirect makes it possible and easy to have hosted email, websites, data storage, and software applications in the cloud. And service is flexible, scalable, and on demand.
Let's take this workload and let you do the thing that you do in business and not manage your IT.
There are three types of cloud computing categories. Software as a Service, or SaaS, is the purchase and use of software over the network.
Our top 25 list in our catalog has everything from office productivity, firewalls, web presence, creating websites, social media, marketing tools.
Infrastructure as a Service involves remote servers, data storage, and upkeep.
Obviously, servers of all kinds with different flavors of operating systems and different sizes, all customized by for the customer. It'll also have storage options, and we'll have as well firewall infrastructure options, as well as the ability to configure network.
Platform as a Service, or PaaS, is a computing platform over the web that allows application developers to create and run software. SavvisDirect puts limitless, customizable resources in the hands of the customer with the click of a mouse. The SavvisDirect experience is simple and frictionless, customizable for the tech-savvy and straightforward for those who are not. It's not necessary for users to know how or why SavvisDirect works, just that it does. There are no long-term contracts, payments can be made with a credit card, and products can be used immediately. The high-quality SavvisDirect product suite is backed by the security and credibility of the CenturyLink brand.
We've walked the walk around reliability. We know how important that is. We know how to do this.
With SavvisDirect, business customers of any size and scope can buy all their communication needs from CenturyLink: voice, data, and cloud services.
This is an easy attachment to those bundles that we already have out there, or those existing services that we already have out there.
Other companies can sell cloud, but very few can offer CenturyLink's comprehensive service and approach.
And the great news is that cloud demand requires a network, a reliable network that helps you compute in the sky. And so the two go together really well.
We also have now some of the best IT assets on the planet. And so combine that and you really have an exciting story for the company, and it's really going to play a massive part in our growth in the future.
With our local model, a large existing customer base, and our world-class network assets, CenturyLink technicians are uniquely positioned to take SavvisDirect to market.
And the customer trusts them. And so they're really the advisor. And so they're in a conversation, they're out on a repair call, they're out interacting with customers in our communities, they do community events. They can represent this great opportunity and a benefit to our customers that the customer maybe isn't aware of. They don't understand the cloud, help them learn about the cloud, and take steps towards getting on the cloud.
The SavvisDirect training program will provide an understanding of the three key components of cloud services, insight into our target customer profiles, an overview of SavvisDirect, its value proposition and brand promise, job aids on NSL, a convenient pocket-sized reference guide, and related You Can Program information.
We'll be in there talking to the techs, what's working, what's not working, what kind of training do we need to augment with. And the more then that they get trained, and I think their first couple of sales, and they see the change and the opportunity for the customer, it's going to be a huge success and opportunity, and they'll be more inspired to just keep selling.
SavvisDirect is another way CenturyLink is improving lives, strengthening businesses, and connecting communities.